Hello and welcome to Web Pros Meeting. This tutorial shows you how to set up the camera and microphone in your browser so you can present and interact with others with confidence. If you'll be using your camera and microphone during the meeting, follow these steps in Chrome. Most browsers work in a similar way. First, remember that your camera and microphone can only be used by one browser tab or app at a time. If something isn't working, close any other tabs, browsers, or apps that may be using them. On the Join Meeting page, click the browser settings icon in the address bar. Next to Camera, click the arrow and select Allow. If you see Allow on every visit, select that too. Then click the back arrow. Next to Microphone, click the arrow and select Allow. If you see Allow on every visit, select that as well. Then click the back arrow again. Now make sure both the camera and microphone controls are turned on. Close the settings window, then click the mic button to turn on your microphone and the camera button to turn on your camera. You're now ready to join the meeting and engage your audience with confidence. Thank you for your interest in Web Pros Meeting, and thanks for watching.